Welcome to SEPAM. Today we are going to look at how to calculate the velocity of a projectile when given the time of flight. So let's look at what we have the other time. An object is projected at an angle of 40 degrees to the ground, but we are not given the initial velocity of projection u, so that is what we are looking for. So let's look at the object, and then we are given the time of flight from the equation, so you know. So let's look at an exercise. A cannonball fired with the initial speed of v at the angle of 40 degrees to the ground has a time of flight of 6.4 seconds. Calculate the value of the initial speed of projection, given that the strength of gravity is 10 meters per second square. So in this question, we want to find the initial angle of projection. And in this question, there are 4 parameters. We have the angle of projection, 40 degrees. You have the time of flight, 6.4 seconds. Then you have the value of g, which is 10 meters per second square. And then you have the initial speed of projection, which is v in this question. So let's substitute our parameter. So time of flight is equal to 2u sine theta over g. So put your value there. We have 6.4 equals to 2 times v times sine 40 over 10. So if you do that, okay, sine 40 is 0.6428. So simplify that. So we have cross multiply, remove that fraction there. So 6.4 times 10, multiply the numerator out. So that will give me 64 equals to 1.2856 v. So make v sort of formula. V is equal to 64 divided by 1.2856. That will give me about 49.78 meters per second, approximately 50 meters per second. So this is how to get the time of flight. But in case you want to use sort of formula from the time of flight equation, so you now have this one. So you can have u is equal to t multiplied by g divided by 2 sine theta. Now your turn question. So I have a question. A cannonball fired with the initial speed of v at the angle of 30 degrees to the ground had a time of flight of 4 seconds. Calculate the value of v. Take acceleration due to gravity as 10 meters per second square. Point of action. If you understand the example discussed above by Mr. Matthew, work out this your turn question and type your answer in the comment section of this video. I will reply you. The next video will be using time of flight to get the angle of projection. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics.